Hi everyone, my name is Jimmy. I'm the product VP at Discover Battery. Today I'm here with Battery House, Stanley and Wu in Malaysia. Stanley, Wu, why don't you tell us a little bit about your company and how it was established?
Yeah, so basically our company was founded in 2014, distributing an American automotive batteries. So subsequently in 2017, we approached Discover, and Discover awarded us the distributorship for Discover batteries for the motive power.
So within motive power, what specific applications do you guys target? And within the Discover product line, which ones are you guys carrying?
Yeah, so for the motive power, basically we have 4 categories. The first would be MEWP or the AWPs, the floor care, cleaning machines. We also have golf buggies, as well as forklift. The Discover, we are primarily focused on the MEWPs and the floor care machines.
With the Discover EV products, how does it compare with other battery technologies or even within the same AGM category?
The key thing that I've noticed is definitely the consistency, because from different brands from different countries, what I realize is the quality itself is inconsistent. Sometimes you get 2 years out of the battery, sometimes you get 1 year, and from Discover, what you expect the most is the consistency in quality itself. And secondly, it is the major OE for the various big brands that I've mentioned just now. So it is trusted by the major companies around the world.
And flooded usually in this part of the region flooded batteries is a big topic. It is more preferred in the past. How has that changed over time in Malaysia specifically, flooded batteries?
Now the labor cost is increasing, so let's say we take AWP as examples. So the labor that they hire, they have to travel all the way to the site to top up the waters, to make sure the guarantees everything is alright. So it would take a lot of cost from the labor side. So once they change to EV, which is EV models, the maintenance free, it will save a lot of cost from there. So, and also they help out the less maintenance kind of thing, the jobs.
What's the battery trends looking like in Malaysia, and where do you see this going in the next couple of years? Where's your company going to grow?
Labor cost is increasing significantly. The minimum wage is recently has been increased to 1,500 ringgit. So we will see an increase in labor costs. So which will result in companies incorporating more of this battery powered equipment, such as cleaning machines, such as the MEWPs, the scissor lifts, less scaffolding, and I do believe that there will be a uptick in battery demands for these applications.
It seems like around the world the trend towards maintenance free is for sure happening. And then there's appreciation for productivity, total cost of ownership. So lithium is amongst one of the topics that people like to talk about, right?
Yep.
And then AGMs, lead acid gel, there could be in the future room for improvements too on faster charging, more cycle life, better partial state of charge, right?
Discover it's a very well-known brand, and we are very honored to be able to partner with Discover and to obtain Discover's trust in us. And we've been in partnership since 2017, so it's about 7 years. So let's hope for another 7 years of a wonderful partnership.
So whenever we have some problems about the products, about the applications, that you guys can give us a lot of feedbacks and trainings and train us how to sell the products as well. So thanks to Discover for the 7 years of survey.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to have you guys on this interview, and it's a pleasure to have you guys as our partners in Malaysia.
Cheers to another 7 years.
7 years.